There we go, guys. She is in our place. Yes, it looks alright. It was raining, so I could not see much, but yeah, it's okay. I will look now where is the leak, fill it up with water and give it a bit to warm it up. This is my concern. It's not I'm not sure yet. I might be, because it wasn't been driven for a long time, just a short journey, so I had the same on my Z3, but I took it for a good few spins and cleared up. So there is no water in over there in oil. There is no oil in the water so far. So yeah, should be okay. Now we will take these boxes out and start checking on it. It's a bit abused, like always. All these cars getting abused, but everything in its places. Yeah, I'm not sure how you can manage to do this in 120,000 miles. But the seats are working, electric memory seats, so this will get fixed and will get sold, refurbished a little bit and sold. Yeah, someone shot it himself. So yeah, nice electric, everything nicely. It's a bit scratches there, but I like it. I like it. Yeah, I just borrowed the battery from my Z3, so we can take it for a little spin when Mark is back. Yeah, okay, see you later.